Hello friends, welcome to Sastra Show. I will show you how to make scratchbook at home. We need these things: paints, black paint, and brush, white papers, two papers, and crayons for coloring. First, take a white paper, take a red crayon and color it on the box. Like this, we have to color 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Okay, now I am coloring orange on the box. And take yellow color and color it. Like this, we have to color on line to bottom, and like this we have to color it like this. Take black paint and old pen and we can write on black paper. I have colored the rainbow lines on it. Take black paint and brush and dip it and color it. After coloring the whole paper, like this we have to color full paper. After drying, sometimes we can write it. Take an old pen. We can write on black paper. Take a black paper and write it with old pen. This we can show yellow, green. We can write colorful diary also. I am showing an example of my old pen. It is not working. So we can write diary, drawing, and we can draw so many pictures. I have made 2 examples to show you. Like this we have to prepare colorful papers and different drawings. We can write on diary also. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.